Hey, what's up guys? My name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. Today I have a super exciting unboxing for you guys today and something that I have been super pumped for that I'm going to make multiple videos on, and it's something you've probably heard of, and that is the brand new MacBook Pro with the new M1 chip. Super exciting. Now, as you guys might know, in the past I did, when I was 10 years old actually, it's actually my most viewed video, I did a massive unboxing on the, just a big massive Apple unboxing, and so that was really cool. It was super fun to make, and there was quite a few comments that said, you didn't buy these products, these are not yours, and the truth was is that they weren't mine. I actually just wanted to review my parents' products that they got. It was super exciting though. I still had a ton of fun. But today, this MacBook has actually been something that I've actually been saving up my own money for, and today I've actually been able to buy. This thing is sick, and this is really cool because I also have a 2017 MacBook Pro right here, but I've run into a few reliability issues on it. So this is hopefully going to fix that. You know, it's kind of been a little bit slower. It just hasn't been up to par, and I've just found it has had to go into repair multiple times. So this thing should be better, and I'm really excited for it. So this is some quick little specs for all you guys. This is 13-inch. They only make a 13-inch right now. So this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a 1 terabyte SSD. Normally I only get the 512 gigabyte, but this is the only one that they had in stock, and it was actually going to be a bit nicer because I wouldn't have to kind of clean up my downloads every now and then. So this is going to be really exciting. I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys, and if you're planning on buying a MacBook, maybe this thing will be the right thing for you. So I hope I can help you in this video. This is just the unboxing and first impressions today. I have no unboxing, as you can see it's sealed, and then I'll do another video of like a speed test versus this thing versus my old MacBook, and then I'll also do one kind of 1 month later. Okay, this is really exciting for me. If I seem a bit out of breath or something, I'm just super excited for this. Okay, I guess let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna peel this. I love Apple's boxes. They're just designed so well where you don't need to design a box well, but it just adds to the experience so much. Okay. First impressions. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Ho ho ho. Okay. I'm gonna put this right here, like so. Okay, I haven't unboxed a MacBook in so long. Okay, let's just put this thing to the side, like we always do. Massive Apple unboxing we did, an iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing we did. We'll do it now. Okay, charger. We have a nice long USB-C to USB-C cable. I should also mention that the battery life on this thing is insane. I think it's around 18 to 20 hours, which is incredible, which means the battery life is like almost as good as like my iPhone, or actually even kind of better sometimes. Okay, nice long USB-C cable. Put it over to the side for right now. Got our paperwork. Okay. See if we get any Apple stickers. Oh, we do. Oh, this is actually even more exciting for me. I have never gotten space gray Apple stickers before. Look at how cool this is. Isn't that epic? Okay, that is so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, put this to the side. Oh, I've never gotten space gray Apple stickers. Okay, charging brick. My mom actually has a 13-inch MacBook Pro. My previous one, or the one that I still have, but is my previous one, is 15 inches, and I'm actually kind of excited for it to be smaller, because that thing can actually kind of be a bit big sometimes, but in the past, the 13 inches wouldn't be that powerful. Okay. The charging brick is smaller. That wasn't very satisfying. Oh ho ho. So this thing is 61 watts. Like my MacBook Pro one is 87 watts, which is exciting. So it's exciting to see that, nice little fold out thing. I normally actually just take this thing right here. I don't know if this little hack for you guys. Okay, when I do this, I go over and I take that thing off. I just put in like a normal, just a little thing into here. You can get extension from Apple or whatever, and that just makes it so much better because then it doesn't hang off the wall. That's a little Luke hack for you. Okay, for now I'm just gonna put this back together. I think, is this camera having a little bit of trouble autofocus? Okay, move all this other stuff. I cannot believe we have Space Gray Apple stickers. Okay, this stuff, crazy exciting. Okay, so we have this. This is the Apple box. We have that new smell. Okay, here. Let's unwrap. Get that thumbnail. Oh yeah. It's cold. Oh yes. Okay. Look at that, guys. That is the 13-inch 2020 M1 MacBook. Look at how sick that looks. Okay. Opening it up. Oh, we got the sound. Wait. Move that. Oh, yes. Oh, this is so satisfying. And I totally forgot. Okay, this is a new layout. We got an escape key. Okay, here, let me bring this up and kind of zoom in for you guys. Okay, right now we have...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, but turn that down. Okay, we have an escape key. We didn't have that before. And we have the fingerprint sensor, which is a little bit divided from the actual touch bar. And we have the old but new scissor switch keyboard. Let's feel this. Oh, that feels so good. There's just so much travel in it. Okay, trackpad. Still, like, the old ones were big, but, like, I just didn't find it needed that big. Like, look at how nice that is. Moving around. Look at how nice that is. Okay, this is exciting, guys. I'm super pumped for this keyboard. Touch ID. Okay. This is exciting. Start super nice B-roll sequence of this MacBook. Okay guys, that is it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I will be making videos on comparing this guy to this guy, old versus new, to see what the improvements are and if there is any improvement. I bet there will be. So yeah, this is going to be exciting. Stay tuned. So if you are planning on buying one, then you know if it's right for you. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I'll see you guys in next one. Peace.